Hey, this is Bob Kegogi coming at you. Just doing a catch and cook over here. Caught myself a channel cat, 15-inch. Weather's pretty sour out here. It's kind of hard to burn wet wood even with the fire starter kit. So I wish I would have brought my little ammunition can grill, but maybe next time. So what I did is I took the fish home and I soaked it in some Korean marinade. I'm just going to set this bad boy down right here. We're going to close this lid up. I'm going to let it cook inside here for a little while. Check that out. Bulgogi flavored catfish. Delicious. How's it going? Sorry, bad camera angle here. Got the sun and everything. Just want to show you guys my fried catfish. Actually, no, it's not fried. It's I caught it in the Bonita River. I soaked it in bulgogi sauce, everything, for a day in the fridge, and then I took it and skewered it and cooked it over in my little homemade smoker, ammunition can. 안녕하세요. Oh yeah, that's so good. This is the infamous grill that I use to cook my fish. There are a few different configurations you can use. I use galvanized steel fencing bolts to raise it off the ground. Notice the different removable layers of grills and the holes drilled in it to help the fire breathe. Before you cook with it though, make sure you remove the rubber stripping from the lid and burn off the original paint. That way you don't have to deal with that paint smell on your food. Then repaint it with heat paint.